Now I want to introduce you to vocal, pure classical vocal. And for that, we have Maestro, my very good dear friend, Ashwin Baliga on the vocal. Please give a round of applause.
Ashwin is a devoted vocalist and music educator whose classical journey began in the US under renowned vocalist Mahesh Kale. He later trained under Pandit Chittal of the Kirana Gharana, becoming one of his senior disciples. Ashwin has since performed at prestigious venues across the globe in multiple Indian languages. In recognition of his efforts, he was honored with the Pandit R.V. Seshadri Gawai Award. Ashwin continues to uphold the legacy of his gurus with sincerity, depth, and a vision for classical music's global resonance. Thank you. Please join me in welcoming Ashwin with a big hand.
Hello. Can you guys hear me okay? All right. So I'm going to present what we call a Ragmala, but before that, I first want to thank Sankalp, Madhulabi ji, Pranab ji, and Anubrata Bai for inviting us. Give them a big round of applause for doing such a wonderful event and hosting us and taking care of us. So with that, I'd love to introduce you to a Ragmala. And Anubrat Bhai asked me, what should we do? And I said, the audience doesn't have patience to listen to hours of this stuff. So how about we give them the most number of rags in the least amount of time? And so for that, there's something called as a Ragmala, which is a garland of rags. And there's a very famous Ragmala by my first Dada Guru, who's my Mahesh Kaleji's guru. His name is Pandit Jitendra Abhisheki. So I try to present the Ragmala and try to guess the number of rags in here. If you already know it, don't say, but you're the first time assessor, tell me how many rags are in there. There's a small audience prize at the end of it, so it'll be great to get you involved as well. And if you tell me all the names of the rags, meet me backstage. I want a lesson from you. So. We will start, and here we go. And this is set, always think about the rags and not about the tal. This is set to ek tal, which is a 12-beat cycle. And it's drut, which means it's on the faster side. As Zakir Bhai would say, this piece was called tuning. And now we go to the actual Ragmala. And I will only expand the rags that have been taught to me by my Guruji. The others I won't even dare to touch. Hindola gavata sab, hindola gavata sab, hindola gavata sab, hindola gavata sab, odava kalyana thata, odava kalyana thata, hindola gavata sab, hindola gavata sab, saga maga maga sa ni da ma da sa ga ma ga ma dha ma ga sa hindola gavata sab hindola gavata sab hindola gavata sab भूपाली सुध सुररस भूपाली सुध सुररस भूपाली सुध सुररस भूपाली सुध सुररस छाया नटराग गाय छाया नटराग गाय छाया नटराग गाय परे रे रे ग ग म सरे सा प सा नि रे 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 ग म प प सा द नि प रे 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 ग ग म रे सा छाया नटराग गाय छाया नटराग गाय छाया नटराग गाय बिलावल बंगाल बिलावल बंगाल बिलावल बंगाल शंकर सुधराग गाय शंकर सुधराग गाय शंकर सुधराग गाय शंकर सुधराग गाय स ग प ग प नि प ग प नि सा नि प ग प ग सा शंकर सुधराग गाय शंकर सुधराग गाय देसराग उपचेत देसराग उपचे देसराग उपचेत देसराग उपचे देसराग उपचे विलसत तिलक कामोद विलस तिलक कामोद विलसत तिलक कामोद विलसत सरे मग सरे ग सनी मनी सरे ग सनी तिलक कामोद विलसत तिलक कामोद विलसत बसंत दिन बेलरिया 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 सम मम गमनि दनि सा बसंत दिन बेलरिया वसंत दिन बेलरिया श्रीराग गुणी गावत श्रीराग गुणी गावत श्रीराग गुणी गावत मारवा तुरूप लसत मारवा तुरूप लसत मारवा तुरूप लसत धनी रे निद मदनी रे निद निद करे रे ग म ग रे ग म ध म ग रे सा नि रे ग म ध मदनी म ध मदनी रे नि ध म ध म ग रे ग म ध म ग रे सा मारवा तुरूप लसत मारवा तुरूप लसत पुरिया सुसंगत तू पुरिया सुसंगत तू पुरिया सुसंगत तू निरगम धग ग गम गम दम द नि म रे नि म द ग म ग म ग रे नि द नि रे सा नि रे सा पुरिया सुसंगत तू पुरिया सुसंगत तू पुरिया सुसंगत तू भैरव अनंतराग भैरव अनंतराग भैरव अनंतराग भैरव अनंतराग भैरवनन्तराग भैरवनन्तराग सा ग म प ग म द द प ध म प ग रे ग म प ग म रे रे सा भैरवनन्तराग 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 कुरजरि गुणगान करत कुरजरि गुणगान करत गुरजरि गुणगान करत सरे ग रे ग म रे ग रे सा नि द नि रे रे ग म ध म द नि द म द नि सा नि द प म ग रे ग म ध म ग रे सा गुरजरि गुणगान करत गुरजरि गुणगान करत आ गुरजरि गुणगान करत गुरजरि गुणगान करत मालकंस राग मधुर मालकंस राग मधुर मालकंस राग मधुर मालकंस राग मधुर कंस राग मधुर माल कंस राग मधुर धनी सा ग म ग सा नि सा ग स ध म र नि ग सा सा नि ध नि सा नि सनि नि द धम 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 गम गम ग समाल कंस राग मधुर माल कंस राग मधुर माल कंस राग मधुर माल कंस राग मधुर माल कंस राग मधुर भैरवी भवती रस भैरवी भैरवी भवती रस भैरवी भवती रस भैरवी भवती रस भैरवी भवती रस जौनपुरी अति मनोहर जौनपुरी अति मनोहर सरे म पद प धम पग रे पग रे रे ग सारे नि सा क्या बात रे ग सारे नि सा जौनपुरी अति मनोहर जौनपुरी अति मनोहर सारंग मध माद 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 खर हर प्रिया दास गावे खर हर प्रिया दास गाव हिंडोल गावत सब 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 सब ओडव कल्याण थाट ओडव कल्याण थाट हिंडोल गावत सब हिंडोल 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 Thank you. This is a composition, this is a brilliant composition, as you could see, very tough to execute, but thanks again to, this is an harmonium player's nightmare, so thanks to Ravi Bhai for playing such amazing and doing stuff on the fly.
It's like one of those amazing buffets where you see all your favorite like dishes and then you can pick and choose. So I guess this composition can go for like, many hours you can get all the available ragas. But it was beautifully designed. Thank you, Ashwin bhai.
Thank you so much. And can someone tell me how many rags there are here? Who said 18? 18 rags, go to the volunteers and get your prizes. So this has 18 rags. And the other thing is this piece, I actually dedicated it to Anubrata Bai of all people, because in Hindustan, we have this thing called prahars, where you actually, every 3 hours, you have to change, you sing a different rag. Like Bhairav is a morning rag, Gujri Todi is the late morning rag, and then Jaunpuri is a late morning rag, and then, for example, Marwa is a sunset rag. So it's all over the place, and this rag also, if I were to call it today, I would call it rag jet lag, because the time zone's all over the place, and that's exactly what Anubrata is suffering
it
from.
suits me because last night I was in Phoenix, I'm here today, tomorrow I'm playing in San Francisco, and Boston the day after.
Yeah.
So,
So the Ragmala doesn't know what time zone it's in, neither does Anubrata.
I don't know either.
But thank you, Anubrata.
the audience is so beautiful that we feel charged. There is no jet lag, no sleep, nothing. So,
But thank you again.